Shopify is very flexible, allowing you to sell both physical and digital items. And best of all, you don't need experience in design, coding, or development to build a mobile-friendly, fully functional e-commerce website. Now let's go through the steps of setting up an e-commerce website using Shopify. Step 1. Create a Shopify account. Shopify offers a free 14-day trial without any need for a credit card. To start, head over to the Shopify website at shopify.com and create your account. You'll need to enter an email address, password, and choose a name for your storefront. You'll also be asked a bit more information about your business, including how much you plan to sell and if you're already selling products. If you aren't sure what you're going to sell or what your current revenue is, just choose I'm just getting started. Step 2. Customize the look of your website. This is where you'll want to spend some time so that you can create a website that truly stands out and reflects your brand. Consider hiring a graphic designer to create a logo that defines the type of products that you plan to sell. You'll also want to choose a theme, and thankfully, Shopify provides hundreds of free themes that you can use, as well as premium ones that offer a bit more functionality. You can browse the theme store at themes.shopify.com. When looking for a theme that fits your website, you can filter through premium themes or free ones, as well as based on industry, popularity, recently added, and even by features. Once you've selected a theme, return to your admin panel and select Themes on your navigation menu. This will allow you to preview your theme live as well as customize settings and overall appearance. Now, just because it's a free theme used by others doesn't mean you can't make it unique. Click on Customize Theme to play around with the available options and test out different features to see what the theme is capable of and how you can make it your own. This typically includes adding your own logo, uploading images into a product display carousel, modifying the color scheme, and utilizing different font styles to highlight product titles and descriptions. You can also choose whether you wish to feature social media buttons, such as Twitter, Pinterest, or Instagram. Step 3, you need to choose a product to sell. Now, if you already have your own products, then you can skip this step. However, if you're looking for products that are in demand, you need to check out the Oberlo Marketplace at shopify.com/Oberlo. Oberlo can quickly help you find and add products directly to your Shopify store, meaning you can get up and running in a couple of hours. Now, whenever you find products, you'll never have to worry about inventory or shipping because Oberlo does all that for you on a drop shipping basis. If you have your own products, you'll be able to quickly add them to your shop just by going through the Add Product step-by-step guide. Enter in the product name, description, and price. You'll be able to edit your product pages at any time, should you wish to revise the description or adjust the price. One thing to keep in mind when adding products to your Shopify store is to use keywords whenever possible in order to boost SEO. This includes product names, descriptions, and page URLs. Include as much information as possible to inform the consumers about the products that are available to them. You also want to pay close attention to the product images that you use. Include high-quality images that truly highlight your products in the best possible way. Include any special features or unique factors that could persuade a customer into buying your product. Step 4, group your products into collections. To provide better navigation and to help connect customers with various products, consider creating a collection of products based on common features. For example, if you're selling clothing, you'll want to create a collection or group based on size, colors, or items on sale. Collections will help customers find what they're looking for quickly without having to browse through your entire inventory. Step 5, register a domain name. You'll want to set up your own domain after you set up your Shopify store so that you can direct your domain to your Shopify URL. Having your own domain is important because it helps build a recognized brand and makes it easier for consumers to remember where to find your storefront. However, you should be careful which registrar you choose so that you don't run into any troubles with your domain after you set up your storefront. You can see a list of trustworthy ICANN accredited registrars at renames.org, which you can use to register your domain. Once you've registered your domain, return to your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, and add it to your account using the Add an Existing Domain button. Don't forget to update your DNS with your domain registrar so that it directs people to your Shopify website. You can contact your domain registrar support team if you aren't sure how to set this up. Step 6, choose your payment processor. From within your Shopify account, click on the tab to the left of the dashboard called Payments. This area allows you to choose from dozens of different payment processors such as PayPal or Stripe or Authorize.net. Shopify also has its own payment processor, which is super easy to use should you wish to give it a try. Simply walk through the steps to activate your payment processor so that your website can begin accepting payments. That's it. You can tweak your website as needed, continue to play around with themes, and customize your website however you see fit. One of the great things about Shopify is that you no longer need to migrate your entire website in order to take advantage of Shopify's features and security. With the JavaScript Buy SDK, you can easily add e-commerce functionality to your website while still being able to host your storefront on your own server. If you plan to sell digital products on Shopify, check out SendOwl. SendOwl is a third-party application designed to protect content and deliver digital goods immediately after payment verification. Visit apps.shopify.com/SendOwl for details. I hope this guide has given you the information that you need to zero in on the mobile shopping market in order to maximize sales and build a business based on long-term success. Start off by making sure any existing websites that you own are mobile friendly. Preview them on any mobile device just to make sure that they expand and contract based on the size of the screen. Then, look for ways to improve engagement by developing an intuitive, user-friendly e-commerce website that appeals to the mobile user. Use clear navigation to direct and guide them through your website. Simplify the checkout process, keeping in mind that people don't want to spend as much time filling out forms on a mobile device as they may on a computer. And finally, expand your outreach by getting ahead of the curve and setting yourself up for ongoing success as the mobile shopper market continues to grow. If you're looking for additional e-commerce platforms, as well as a complete insider's guide to building a successful e-commerce store, you'll definitely want to check out the courses below. They will walk you through everything you need to know to launch your very own successful e-commerce store.